Marie's Acrylic Color Set is one of those sets that we carry that is just absolutely fantastic for anybody that wants to get started in acrylic colors, add to their acrylic collection, do mixed media, whatever it is that floats your boat. The Marie sets are very reasonably priced and a great quality to try. I've laid out some color here to kind of show you how they mix and how they work. Vibrant colors, I'll show you in a little bit here, they all dry to an nice even sheen. Look how quickly that mixes. Vibrant orange. And I will get some green out. So as I said, this is an 18 color set, and really just a great way to just add tons of color to start with or complement what you already have. And then we'll try to get a purple here. Now I'm going to add a touch of white to this so you can see it's actually a very nice purple. Very nice purple. And so, they mix very well, very easily, but let me show you all the colors that you're going to get in this set. You have your common colors, phthalo blue, ultramarine blue, titanium whites, your lemon yellows, but you also have some really nice, unique colors. This kind of mint green. You have a really nice, bright, vibrant orange. Your browns, your blacks, the whole 9 yards, and they all have a nice, even sheen to them, glossy sheen that dries evenly and really nice. So Marie's acrylic sets, a great way to get started in acrylic painting or to supplement your current acrylic needs. Thanks.